Alright, good day guys and welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download Peniwallet and SMC app from the Uptodown App Store, right? So similar to the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, the Uptodown App Store is, another app store where you can get different apps that have been, uploaded or, deployed to it, right? So here you can get Peniwallet, you can get the SMC DAO app too, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download that, right? So the Uptodown App Store isn't really like your normal store that is inbuilt on your phone, right, or that comes with your device, right? You'd have to download it from the web, right? So you're going to head on to Chrome to do that. Now the prompt you're going to use, or the wording you're going to use, is Uptodown app download. Just put this into Google and then you choose the first option that comes up, right? So I'm going to click this. And then you should see something like this, right? So you can see that it has about 748 million downloads. So it's being used by many, right? In countries like I think China and some Asian countries, the Google Play Store isn't really available there. So they use other app stores like Uptodown and some other Chinese variations or Asian variations of those apps, right? So you're just going to click download, and then we download the Uptodown app first, right? You're going to download it. So you're going to click download anyway, and once it's done downloading, you just install it like you install every other app, right? So now after installing the app, you should open it up like this. It should pop out like this. You open it up, right? So this is requiring an update, so I'm going to update it. Let's click open. All right, I don't want to enable. So you can search for Peniwallet, and you can see it pops up, right? So we click install and then it starts downloading, very, very normal. And then you can also search for SMC DAO, and this is it, right? And then you can proceed to install the apps, right? So once they are installed, let me use Peniwallet as an example. Once they are installed, you can open them right up. Like, so let's just let this download. So now that we've downloaded it, you're going to click install and then install the app, right? So my device is going to scan Peniwallet and see if it is good enough to go live on my phone, right? So I think this feature is like available for all phones, but then this doesn't really happen with the Google Play Store, because obviously Google Play Store is inbuilt, right? So we're going to open this and boom, we've downloaded Peniwallet. So same goes for the SMC DAO app, right? So if you come here, you can see that we have Peniwallet here, and I've already installed the SMC DAO app. So this is how to download both the SMC app and the Peniwallet app from the Uptodown App Store, right? So I hope you guys have fun trying this out. I hope you guys have fun trying the apps out. Yeah, so be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.